Junior Chef's Cafe.
Burger. Drag and drop the ingredients into the bowl. Patty mix. Pepper. Diced onions. Flour. Salt. Paprika. Pepper. Egg. Oil. Mix the ingredients. I like that. Drag and drop the patties onto the grill. Flip to grill the other side. I like that. Build a burger of your choice. Patties. Great job. Toppings. Tomato, zucchini, lettuce, onions, tomatoes, sauces, mustard sauce, pesto, mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard sauce, cheese. Good choice. Uh-oh, you need to delete some layers. Burger buns. You've reached the maximum height. Delete some layers to continue. Sauces. Burger bun. Let's decorate. It's time to eat. Yummy! Wow! Wow! Yummy! Yummy! Yum! Churros! Take your favorite churros! Hard churros! Drag and drop the butter. Great job! Drag and flour. Now let's mix. I like that. Drag and drop the ingredient. Vanilla. Egg. Egg. Let's mix some more. I like that. Put the batter into the piping bag. I like that. Pipe some churros in the oil. Use the tongs to pick the churros and place them on the napkin. Great job! Now let's sprinkle some cinnamon sugar. Great job! Sauces. Blueberry, caramel, strawberry, sprinkles. Yum! Great choice! Wow! 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 Fruit, cherry, strawberry, kiwi, pineapple, strawberry, pineapple, raspberry, peach, kiwi, placemats. It's time to eat. Yum! Wow! Yum! Mmm! 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 Yum! Wow! Wow! Mm-hmm. Mmm!